Hey everyone, I just wanted to take a few minutes to talk to you about the Keystone Algebra test. So we have spent all year basically getting you guys ready for this exam, and we spent the last couple months specifically really reviewing for the exam. So a couple things I want to talk to you guys about. First of all, I want you to have the confidence that you can do this. You guys have worked really, really hard. You've put in the time. You've done the work, and now you're going to take the exam. So some of you are taking it tomorrow, maybe Wednesday, maybe Thursday. Some of you aren't taking it until next week. But whenever you're taking it, regardless of the day, I just want you to know, I want you to believe in yourself, and I want you to know in your heart of hearts that you are capable of doing this. Okay, so I don't want anybody to panic. I know that some of you are getting nervous about the test, but I don't want you to, because you guys are really, really capable of doing it. You just have to think about the problems that you're doing. Take your time. Please do not rush through this test. I know that some of you have talked to me about how you feel about when you take tests, and some of you get very anxious, and some of you get very nervous. And trust me, I get it, because I'm the same way. But you don't need to, because this test does not define who you are. Okay, so you define who you are. This test does not. It is a test that you need to take, but it does not define you. So I want you to really think about that, and I want you to really, truly take your time. Answer each question to the best of your ability. We went through different strategies for the multiple choice, so use those strategies when you're doing those problems. Remember to go through the multiple choice questions first and do them all, and then go back, and as you're checking them, bubble in the answer. Remember that you can skip around in the multiple choice. You don't have to do them all in order. Remember on the open response questions to make sure that you write something down, that you show your work, that you answer the question they're asking you, that you put the answer on that line that's provided for you. All of those things are going to really help you to maximize your score on this test. Okay, but I just want you guys to know that I truly do believe in you, and I have had such a great time this year working with you guys, and you don't need to be nervous for this test. You guys are better than you think you are. Okay, but I just want you to take the time and really strive for your best. And some of you have reached out to me and said, well, do you think I'm going to be able to do okay on this test? And my answer to you is, yes, I wholeheartedly believe that. I genuinely believe that you are capable of doing this. You just have to put your mind to it and take your time. I know that sometimes the questions can be tricky, and I know sometimes that can offer some a little bit of anxiety, but I don't want it to make you feel anxious. Just take a deep breath and take your time and think to yourself, what did Mrs. Lee say? What did she say I should do when I get to a problem like this? How would Mrs. Lee approach this? If I was sitting in class with her right now, what would she be saying to me? And how would she be working through the problem? Okay, so I want you to think about that when you're doing it. But most importantly, I just said it like 3 times. I'm going to say it again. I want you to believe in yourself, and I want you to have the confidence to know that you are capable of doing this. And I want you to know that this test does not define who you are. It's just something that you have to do, something that you have to take. Okay, but I do want you to do your best, because I know that you are capable of so much more than you think you're capable of. And for all of you out there, I so much enjoy having you in class. I so much enjoy working with you. And I just want you to know that I am with you. Even if I'm not physically there where you're taking the test, I'm with you 100%. I am behind you. I know that you can do this. And I want you to know it too. So, with that said, good luck. Not that any of you need it, because you're all going to do great. Good luck on the exam. And hopefully I will see you all on Thursday in class. All right, everybody. Take care. Have a good one. I'll see you soon. Bye-bye.